Very good evening, friends. This side Rahul Magan here as a Group Chief Executive Officer, Treasury Consulting, and also a venture capitalist. Standing today, 18th November 2020, which is around 6 a.m. in the morning, Singapore, I'm shooting this video. Today is a sleepless night. I generally have one or two sleepless nights in a month, and this is the first sleepless night of the month. Second might be after 1 week. Today I'm going to be talking about a very important topic which I encountered while doing my research, and I'm sure that this would definitely having an impact in the Indian markets also, and of course it would impact the global market. There is no doubt about that. But before I speak, let me remind you that in case you are having any questions about our hedge fund desk, about our paid groups, which include equities, penny stocks, commodities, equities portfolio management service, commodities portfolio management service, commodity exchange, COMEX, child plan for small investors, specific commodity groups, Android app link, free groups covering YouTube, LinkedIn, Twitter, WhatsApp, Telegram, fixed income platform, www.fixedincome.global, who ranks number one on Google, audio trainings, video trainings, our Universal L Composite Group, which cover all aspect of hedge fund desk, Mota Bhai Club, Senior Mota Bhai Club, video directories, free research reports. List is very long, but I have covered like a bird eye view so that I able to cover in a as minimum time as possible. If you have any question pertaining to that, you can WhatsApp us at 9818485155. I repeat, 9818485155. There are different estimates compared to e-commerce market in India. Some people are saying in another 5 years it would be 200 billion, some saying it is 300 billion. I really don't value these reports much because I understand that these values have some or another form of home bias. So I don't value these reports much. But we all understand that right now in e-commerce space, it's between two, which is Reliance versus Amazon. And these two companies are head to head as far as the e-commerce is concerned. Few weeks ago, when Reliance bought Future Group, and immediate after that, Amazon went to Singapore and filed a case against Reliance, basically an arbitration appeal against Reliance, and somehow they won that arbitration appeal in SIAC, Singapore International Arbitration Center. And now Amazon is in the High Court of India, and they are saying that as they won the appeal, so this deal should be called off. Having said that, both parties, Reliance and Future Group, came in public domain and they have their own versions. The court will tell, but to be honest and generally speaking, arbitration issues, once they reach to court, it take times. It is not easy because court here both matters and it generally take a lot of time. But one good thing is that just like a cricket match, it's a very good proverb in a cricket match, and generally I have noticed this in Cricket Australia during Ricky Ponting times when Ricky Ponting was captain, is that even if Australia lose some wickets in the early spell of the game, the players who come, they try and maintain the same momentum, at least the run rate. This is what Australia is as far as the cricket is concerned. Maybe they are invincible because of this. Maybe one of the reasons why they are invincible in cricket. Which means that even if you lost one or two wickets, you try and maintain the momentum so that the opposition party will definitely get depressed. I think Amazon doing the same. After this, Reliance bought Netmeds. Reliance recently took over Urban Ladder. Maybe few other companies are in the line. But what I was thinking is retaliation. And that was throughout missing, and today retaliation announced. And what is that retaliation? Let me explain this to you. Amazon Inc. on Tuesday launched an online pharmacy for delivery prescription medications for in the United States, increasing competition with drug retailers such as Walgreens, CVS Health, and Walmart. Called Amazon Pharmacy, the new store lets customer price compare as they buy drug on the company website or the app. Shopkeepers can toggle at checkout between their copay and a non-insurance option, heavy discount to the members of it loyalty, which is Prime members. We are Prime members. But somehow, you know, this facility is launched in US. But the point is, Amazon Prime is now viewed across the globe. Alexa is a, I would say, it's a well known brand.
I'm not sure.
You heard Alexa? In fact, I was just reading one of the articles wherein I got to know that in the smart speakers, Alexa is number one.
Yes.
This is Alexa. Now the question is, and that is very important, is that if Amazon is going ahead with online pharmacy in different parts of the globe, and I'm sure Amazon would definitely, to be honest, then the most important thing is it would definitely come to India. Three questions before I conclude. Am I supposed to tell you the firepower of Amazon? Am I? Am I supposed to tell you that majority of the so-called e-pharmacy companies and few e-pharmacy companies, those who are promoted by so-called Bollywood or cricket endorsers, they are venture capitalist backed companies? Can they withstand the firepower of Amazon? Third, is that a retaliation move by Amazon, or Amazon is looking to have us globally pharmacy setup? And fourth and last and most important, e-pharmacy is turning out to be a very, very important concept as far as the e-commerce is concerned. Now the question is, if Amazon is going ahead in this, it specifically means that the e-commerce players in India, those who do not have e-pharmacy, they are the biggest loser. Think over it. There is a hell lot of action which is on the card as far as the e-commerce is concerned, and Amazon is driving that action. I'm sure, guys, Amazon would soon maybe launching a very big size pharmacy kind of setup, and they would surely replicate in India. I'm sure about it. And by the way, guys, do you know that? Let me tell you. Do you know that Amazon Prime was known for, the first-hand shows, the, I would say, the movies, and all these things. Guys, do you know Amazon Prime is entering into the live sports? And they have signed an agreement with one of the cricket boards of the globe. And don't forget that 2023 we are having World Cup. You getting my point? I really love one thing, which is passion plus speed. I have seen this in only two people in my whole life. One is at the back, and one I'm talking about. Except these two people, I have not seen passion plus dedication. So, guys, e-commerce war in India is going to be really interesting very soon. Just think about it. Before I conclude, would like to hear my favorite song on Alexa? Here it is. Alexa, play My Heart Will Go On.
Here's My Heart Will Go On, Love Theme from Titanic by Celine Dion on Amazon Music.
So I enjoy my song. It's already 6 in the morning, more or less a sleepless night, and you enjoy Alexa too. Have a good time.